front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, use this gear one. Choose voice typing and operate this switcher next to voice typing to activate it. When your switcher is blue, go back and click on No Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Now my favorite part. Click on microphone and tap on tiny icon right next to it, most people miss. Then hit next. Select done. And enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. My favorite part about it is that you can hold it and drag it wherever you want to. To delete text on the go, click on this button with an X, like that. To manage some voice typing options, use those three lines on the left and pick wherever you want to from the pop-up. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this icon of a keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!